Are you looking for the best steam irons? Steam irons remain a foundational tool for achieving crisp, professional-looking garments at home. The category spans budget-friendly compact models to feature-rich power irons, each balancing heat, steam output, sole plate technology, and safety features. For this comparison, I tested 5 irons across a price range from $22.99 to $99.99, focusing on real-world usability, long-term durability, and performance across common fabrics, cotton.
Product number 1. Black & Decker Easy Steam. Overview. This compact 1200-watt iron emphasizes portability, anti-drip smart stream technology, 3-way auto shutoff, and a true glide non-stick sole plate. The translucent water tank simplifies refills, and the spray mist adds targeted moisture for stubborn wrinkles. At $22.99, it sits firmly in the budget tier and is designed for light to moderate ironing tasks, with a focus on ease of use and safety. Performance and user experience. In practice, the iron glides smoothly thanks to the True Glide sole plate, and the 1200-watt heater is adequate for standard cotton and blends, though it lacks the rapid heat of higher wattage contenders. The anti-drip system helps minimize water spotting at moderate steam settings, while the 3-way auto shutoff provides peace of mind for casual users. The spray mist is a handy aid for deep wrinkles, but the compact water reservoir may require more frequent refills on larger loads. Overall, this model excels as a starter iron or secondary iron for travel and dorm rooms, delivering dependable performance with minimal fuss.
Product number 2. Steam iron for clothes, fast heating. Overview. A mid-range iron dice model delivering 1700 watts, 450 milliliters water tank, ceramic coating on the sole plate, and robust safety features. 3-way auto shutoff. It emphasizes quick heat up, about 20 seconds, and strong burst steam, making it well-suited for households with heavier ironing needs or larger loads, all at a modest price point of $35.99. Performance and user experience. The 1700-watt element translates to rapid heat-up and responsive steam, enabling efficient wrinkle removal on cotton and blends. The 450 milliliter tank supports longer sessions between fills, which is advantageous for garment shops or busy households. The ceramic coating enhances glide and heat distribution, and the temperature dial with 3 settings helps tailor ironing to synthetic, delicate, and natural fabrics. The 30-second horizontal and 8-minute vertical auto off balance safety with convenience, though the heavier weight at 3.39 pounds may reduce maneuverability for prolonged sessions. Overall, this iron offers a strong blend of power, capacity, and safety at a compelling price.
Product number 3. Rowenta Iron Steamer for Clothes Overview. Rowenta's Focus model is positioned as a premium option with a stainless steel sole plate, 400 micro steam holes, and 1725W for strong steam performance. It includes safety features like automatic shutoff and anti-drip. At $99.99, it targets users who want precise control, durability, and consistent high-output steam for a range of fabrics. Performance and user experience. The combination of a stainless steel sole plate and 400 micro steam holes provides excellent even heat distribution and robust steam coverage, which translates to faster wrinkle removal on cotton and linens. The 135 grams/minute burst and 35 grams/minute continuous steam offer strong performance for stubborn creases, while the self-cleaning and anti-calc systems help maintain long-term reliability. The precision tip and lightweight design, 3.22 pounds, aid accuracy in hard-to-reach areas. However, the higher price and more feature-dense operation may be overkill for casual users who mainly iron synthetic blends or standard shirts. Overall, a top-tier choice for serious quilters, tailors, or households that demand premium performance and durability.
Product number 4, Steam Iron for Clothes, Rapid. Overview. This Iron Day model emphasizes rapid heating, 1700-watt, 300 milliliter water tank, and a ceramic coating with anti-calc and anti-drip features. Its three-way auto-off and spray mist capabilities position it as a versatile option for all fabrics, with a smaller water capacity compared to other Iron Day irons in the lineup and a 12.22 by 5.11 inch footprint. Performance and user experience. The 1700-watt heater enables quick heat up, and the 300-milliliter tank is adequate for standard to mid-length ironing tasks. The ceramic sole plate provides smooth gliding and decent heat distribution, while the anti-calc and self-cleaning functions help maintain performance over time. The three-way auto-off improves safety without being overly aggressive, but the smaller water reservoir means more frequent refills on larger loads. The iron supports spray and burst steam, which is helpful for stubborn wrinkles. This model is a solid mid-range option for general households seeking a balance of features, size, and price.
Product number 5. Steam Iron for Clothes Overview. The SW627 is Iron Day's high-capacity option at 1800 watts, featuring a 600 milliliter water tank, ceramic sole plate, three-way auto-off, and vertical steaming capability. At $49.99, it occupies the upper mid-range, delivering strong performance for large laundry loads and vertical use, plus self-cleaning and anti-calc features. Performance and user experience. The 1800-watt power enables rapid heat-up and robust steam output, making quick work of heavy fabrics in large quantities. The 600 milliliter tank minimizes refills, which pairs well with vertical steaming for curtains or hanging garments. The ceramic sole plate contributes to smooth gliding and even heat distribution, while three-way auto-off provides safety. The inclusion of vertical steaming versatility makes it suitable for heavier items and delicate fabrics alike. The main trade-offs are weight, the iron is among the heavier options, and fewer premium micro-hole features compared to Rowente's top-tier model. Overall, a strong, well-rounded choice for power users who want capacity and flexibility at a moderate price.